It's Punky. Oh wait, it's not Punky. It was Punky and Tupac. This is somebody else. This must be Tupac's shadow that comes around. Yeah, I see Punky off to the left now. Or the right, I mean. In here. There's Punk's. There's Punky's little tail. I never thought I'd be able to tell chipmunks apart. I thought they all look the same. They really don't. You want me to come over here? You want to jump up? Look at that Molly. There she goes. Too fast for my hand to travel. Alright, here's the character who I swore I will always have the camera on when she's around because she's just so funny. You never know what she's going to do. Okay, I don't even know what's going on anymore. We got Rover is on Sweet Eyes' chair. And she's leaving the building. She's got 2 nuts, so she's happy. There's just chipmunks running around everywhere. It's chipmunk pandemonium. And Tupac's eating seeds. Are you Jeter? You must be Jeter. Hey, I haven't seen Jeter today. Hey, Jeets, come on up. Yeah. You got it. You got it. Wait a minute, who's this now? Oh, this is Punky. Okay, I'll take Punky. And then Jeter? Jeter was looking at me like, are you kidding me? Jeter comes a long way. And again, Punky thinks she owns me, so we do have some differing of opinion. Here you go. All right, I feel bad because I've been getting all these videos of the character, and here's Arer. He's so shy. He's usually like going back and forth between his hind legs, but I guess that's more on the deck he does that. All right, I got somebody on my leg here. Who's that? Little Punks. You want it? Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Give me a jump. Oh! Come here. Whoa! They really are playful. They're just so playful. Yeah, that's Punky. Earlier I had Punky going up one leg, Jeter going up the other leg, but Jeter's home right now, or, you know, making a trip back. All right, now here is RJ. He's a little nervous. He just did the leg thing. There you go, RJ. And here's his mother, Rover. Wow, is she gonna go with one? Huh. And here's the character. So we got the family here. The character is so funny. Doesn't take from my hand, but is a total character. There she goes. I'll show a video on her later. Now this is Jeter. Pippi's kid. One of Pippi's little kids. And I think the other one's on the ground right there. Oh, that's Pippi. Hey, Pips. I've been watching your kid. Seems like a nice little kid. Is this Jeter? I gotta get better at recognizing you, Jeter. Uh-oh, and here's Punks. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Punky Poo! Punky, did you make a flip? Did you make a flip? Is this Jeter? Jeter, did you wait in here? Is this you, Jeets? Or is this somebody else? This is somebody else. This is not Jeter. This is somebody trying to hone in on the action. Or somebody who just wants to guard the castle. But I don't think anybody lives in this castle. I had thought Ninja was dead. I hadn't seen her in days. And then today, she came to the castle and looked at me like, come on, come on. And I just tested with a jump and it's her, and she keeps running under here. So I think she's changed where she lives. And I wonder if the reason why I'd noticed this hole showed up, right? Look how big that is too. So I don't know what kind of animal that is. That's not a chipmunk hole. Oh, I mean, my foot's gargantuan, so we can't use that as a guide. Here. That's not a chipmunk hole. That's something, that's a bigger animal. And I was worried about it because she used to live, her drop hole was somewhere over here, but now she's running in here. I'm just so happy she's alive. That's a bird taking care of himself on the fallen tree. Keeps peeking around and looking at me. This is one of Pippi's babies. All right, we've got chipmunk and squirrel fest going on here. That's a mother from the front yard and a chipmunk going after her stuff. And then we got Tupac back, and Punky will be here in a sec, but Punky just made her run, taking stuff back. So now this chipmunk's been shoved over here for now. Here comes the character. I don't think the character eats seeds, but I don't know. Character, you want a nut? Yeah, she says, you know I do. So we're back to our chipmunk and squirrel situation. Any more seeds, Tupac? Here comes Punky off to the right. I think she'll be back. Look at that one. I hear Punky behind me. And I hear another chipmunk thumping around behind me. Okay, here's Punky. And then here's the other chipmunk thumping around. So, Punks, what's up? And what's up with you? Is that Jeter? I don't think so. Oh, and then there's another one. That's not Jeter. You can tell by the tail. Jeter, are you over here? Jeeps? It's so hard. There's like 10 million chipmunks these days. Jeter would be back by now. All right, so you want some more seeds with no chipmunks, please? Seeds without a side of chipmunks. Meanwhile, Tupac's handling the other chipmunks. There's Punky. And then she's got, where'd the other one go? Punky, how am I ever going to do all this video that I'm getting today? We're having video Sunday. Oh, we're having video Sunday. Whoa, sorry. Okay, I need to look right at her. When I try to look through the camera, I screw up. There is no time to dwell on this, but Tupac's baby is alerting. She's doing the repeater alert. Her mom is always good. Tupac's really good about alerting. That's the baby. It may not look like much, but that was actually a lot of leaf gathering work there. They're good leaves too. I took good care to get good leaves. This is for RJ, I think. I was cleaning this out, and then it was either RJ or Rover. came up to me and sat on there and looked at me, like, what are you doing? And they looked a little distressed. So now, in addition to cleaning it out, I added leaves.